Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Peace lily is one of the most popular indoor ornamental plants because of its lush green leaves and elegant white flowers. However, many people experience situations where the plant grows slowly, the leaves become wilted, and the plant gradually weakens over time, even though it is being cared for, but not in the proper way. In today's video, I will share with you a method of caring for a peace lily and transforming it from this condition into this condition. What is special is that this method uses only familiar ingredients that can be found in any kitchen and can easily be prepared by anyone. This method helps support healthier root development, improves nutrient absorption, promotes greener foliage, and creates favorable conditions for the plant to produce more beautiful flowers. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe so that you do not miss any simple plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let us get started. Do you have rice powder at home? Rice powder contains natural starch as well as small amounts of minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and several trace elements that are very beneficial for plants. If you do not have rice powder available like I do, you can use regular rice and grind it into powder at home. Prepare a blender as shown in the video. Add approximately 3 tablespoons of rice into the blender. Then close the lid tightly and blend thoroughly until a fine powder is formed. Grinding the rice into a fine powder increases the surface area that comes into contact with water during the next steps, allowing nutrients to dissolve more easily and improving its effectiveness when used to care for plants. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After blending, you will obtain a fine rice powder, as shown in the video. Next, prepare a clean glass cup and pour all of the freshly ground rice powder into the cup. Then pour approximately 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to dissolve the rice powder. The temperature of the water helps the components in the rice powder disperse more quickly and release nutrients into the solution. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly until the mixture becomes completely combined and forms a uniform solution for the following steps. Finally, cover the cup and allow the rice powder solution to steep for 2 hours. While waiting, I will gently rinse the peace lily with clean water 1 hour beforehand. This rinsing process helps remove dust from the leaves while providing the plant with the moisture it needs before receiving nutrients. In addition, this step helps reduce plant stress, supports better metabolic activity, and creates favorable conditions for nutrient absorption in the following steps. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After approximately 2 hours, when the solution has cooled completely, use a strainer to remove all of the residue and keep only the clear liquid. Careful filtering helps keep the solution cleaner, removes excess sediment, and reduces the possibility of buildup when used on plants. At the same time, the resulting liquid is easier for the plant to absorb, helping it receive nutrients more effectively and safely. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. Now, the solution is ready to be used on the plants in your garden. Method 1. Use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth as shown in the video. Dip it into the rice powder solution and gently wipe each side of the plant's leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, residue, and impurities that have accumulated on the leaf surface over time. When the leaves become cleaner and more breathable, photosynthesis becomes more efficient, helping the plant absorb light more effectively and maintain its natural green color. At the same time, regularly wiping the leaves helps reduce the presence of certain small insects and fungal diseases that may remain on the leaf surface. This method should be performed approximately once per week to help keep the plant healthy and clean. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 2. Use a spray bottle, fill it with an appropriate amount of the solution, and lightly mist the entire garden, including the stems, leaves, and root zones. Spraying the rice powder solution helps provide a gentle source of nutrients through the leaf surface and the surrounding environment. This contributes to greener leaves, thicker foliage, and improved overall plant vitality. In addition, the fine mist helps maintain natural humidity, which is especially beneficial for plants that are recovering or developing slowly. It is recommended to spray approximately once per week for consistent long-term results. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. In addition to peace lily plants, you can also use this solution to care for many other ornamental plants in your garden. Here, I will use the solution to spray a Zamioculcas plant as shown in the video. Spraying the solution on a Zamioculcas plant helps clean the leaf surface, promotes glossier leaves, and improves photosynthesis. At the same time, the solution provides a gentle source of nutrition that helps the plant maintain stable vitality and develop more healthily over time. You can apply this method regularly to help all of the plants in your garden remain fresh, healthy, and full of vitality. Method 3. The remaining solution can be poured into a clean plastic bottle, sealed tightly, and stored in the refrigerator. This storage method helps keep the solution stable for approximately 5 to 7 days, reducing fermentation and quality changes. This is a very convenient option for busy people who do not have time to prepare a fresh solution every day, but still want to maintain regular plant care. When needed, simply take it out and use it directly without preparing a new batch. Method 4. Use the remaining solution in the container and gently place the plant into it for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. During this period, the root system comes into direct contact with the solution, helping remove dirt residue from the roots and supporting more efficient metabolic activity. Soaking the roots also helps stimulate nutrient absorption, allowing the plant to recover more quickly, especially if it is weak or has recently been repotted. After soaking, allow the plant to drain naturally before returning it to its normal growing location. Apply the same method to any other plants that you would like to treat. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. Results. After approximately 2 months of applying this care method, the peace lily showed significant improvements and much more stable growth. The leaves became darker green, thicker, and naturally glossier. Leaves that had previously been weak, wilted, or lacking vitality gradually recovered, making the entire plant appear healthier and more balanced. The root system became much stronger, with many new healthy white roots appearing. This helped the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively, promoting overall growth and development. Most importantly, the plant began flowering again, producing its characteristic white blooms that opened more evenly, maintained their color longer, and retained the elegant beauty for which peace lily is known. If you find this method useful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to discover more simple, affordable, and highly effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you again in the next Great Garden sharing session.